Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when no sound plays after you connect your headphones with the phone. Firstly, I recommend to restart your audio player. Let's say you listen to music in Apple Music. Remove this application from the application list and then open the app again. Also, I recommend it to go to the App Store or Play Store and check if you have the latest version for your audio player application, and update if you haven't. This one can fix this problem. Next step is to restart your phone. I use these earbuds with my phone, so I need to restart this phone. If you use it with a tablet, restart your tablet. And if both of these methods didn't help you, you need to check, of course. If it didn't help you, we should perform the factory reset. To perform the factory reset, put your earbuds to the charging case, but do not close the case. Open the lid, and on the front side we have touch area under the LED light. Double press this touch area 3 times until you will see the red LED light. One, two, 1, 2, 1, 2. And now we have the red LED light. Now, or the iPhone show you pop up here, and at the bottom you'll find button connect. You need to tap at this button, or you need to go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and remove your earbuds from your phone. You can tap on it and it will open for you window with forget device button. Tap at that button or click the information icon and then forget this device and forget device. After that, now we have pop-up. So you may have this one in the previous step. You need to click only connect. But if there is no pop-up for you and you're in the Bluetooth, just go back and return to the Bluetooth or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, and you will see your headphones. The device list, tap on them, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!